the beginning, the evolution history, the present, the future. Stay tuned. Imagine a world where machines think, learn, and create just like humans. Sounds like science fiction, right? But what if I told you we're living on the cusp of that reality right now? In today's episode, we're about to embark on a mind-bending journey through time, tracing the incredible evolution of artificial intelligence that led to the 2024 Nobel Prize in Physics, a prize that celebrates two visionaries who revolutionized the field of artificial intelligence. And trust me, some of these milestones will blow your mind. This isn't just about computers getting smarter, it's a story that shapes our present and future. Here's a surprise. Pay close attention, because hidden within this episode is a quiz question. Answer it correctly and you could walk away with a cool $100 PayPal cash prize. Let's start at the very beginning and see how a wild idea turned into the AI we know today. Picture this. It's the 1950s, and computers are these huge machines that take up entire rooms. Some really smart people had a crazy thought. Hey, what if we could make these machines think like humans? And just like that, the idea of AI was born. These early AI pioneers weren't working with fancy computers. They were basically starting from scratch. Now, you might be wondering, who were these smart people? Well, we had guys like John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Alan Newell, and Herbert Simon. They were like the founding fathers of AI. They got together at a place called Dartmouth College in 1956 and said, let's make this AI thing happen. This is where they officially started calling it artificial intelligence. But hold on, how do you even know if a machine is thinking like a human? That's where Alan Turing comes in. Alan Turing is known as the father of modern computer science. He came up with something called the Turing Test in 1950. It's like a game where you talk to someone through a computer and try to guess if it's a human or a machine. If you can't tell the difference, the machine passes the test. Now, these early AI folks were pretty excited. They thought they'd have human-like robots in no time. But guess what? It turned out to be way harder than they thought. They hit some bumps in the road, and people started losing interest. We call these tough times AI winters. The 1960s saw some cool progress. Joseph Weizenbaum created the first chatbot, ELIZA, at MIT. ELIZA significantly contributed to the discipline of artificial intelligence. ELIZA could have simple conversations by matching patterns in what people said. In the 1980s, things started to get really interesting. Computers were getting more powerful, and researchers came up with new ideas. They created expert systems that could solve specific problems like a human expert would. Then came the big breakthrough, machine learning. This is when computers started to learn from experience, just like we do. Instead of telling computers exactly what to do, we started giving them lots of data and letting them figure things out on their own. This machine learning was a big game changer. Then in 1997, something really big happened. IBM's computer called Deep Blue, a chess-playing computer, beat world chess champion Garry Kasparov. This was huge. It showed that AI could tackle really complex problems. The 2000s brought even more exciting developments. Computers got a lot more powerful, and we started collecting tons of data. This combo fueled big advances in machine learning. In 2011, IBM's other computer named Watson won the TV quiz show Jeopardy! It could understand complex questions in natural language and find the right answers super fast. And then came neural networks and deep learning. It's a way for computers to learn that's inspired by how our brains work. Imagine a bunch of artificial brain cells connected in layers. This structure helps AI learn complex patterns in data. This is what powers things like face recognition on your phone or voice assistants like Siri and Alexa. In 2017, a new type of AI model called Transformer came along. This changed the game for natural language processing. Suddenly, AI got much better at understanding and generating human language. All this progress wouldn't be possible without two key ingredients: big data and powerful computers. Big data gives AI the information it needs to learn. And powerful computers, especially things called GPUs, allow AI to process this data quickly. Now, let's talk about the present-day AI. John Hopfield and Geoffrey Hinton have just been awarded the 2024 Nobel Prize in Physics for their groundbreaking work in artificial intelligence and neural networks. Hopfield's contribution to recurrent neural networks and Hinton's work on deep learning have revolutionized machine learning. Their research forms the foundation of many AI applications we use daily. AI is everywhere in our daily lives. It's in our phones, helping us take better pictures and giving us directions. It's in our homes, powering smart speakers that can answer our questions. AI is even helping doctors diagnose diseases and scientists discover new medicines. AI isn't just about fancy robots or talking computers. It's changing how we live and work every day. We see AI at work in Amazon's review summarizations, Google's search result cards, and even in the predictive keyboards on our phones and computers. These applications make our lives easier and more efficient. The creation of ChatGPT by OpenAI in 2022 is really the biggest breakthrough. ChatGPT changed the game in natural language processing. This powerful tool can answer complex questions with remarkable accuracy. It can even write articles that are hard to distinguish from human-written content. But ChatGPT is just the tip of the iceberg. Now, let's talk about text-to-image generation. Tools like DALL-E and Midjourney are creating stunning visuals from simple text descriptions. Imagine describing a scene and watching it come to life before your eyes. These AI models are helping artists, designers, and marketers bring their ideas to reality. But wait, there's more. Text-to-video generation is the next frontier. AI can now create short video clips based on text prompts. This could revolutionize how we create content for social media, advertising, and even movie making. OpenAI has been at the forefront of many of these developments. Their latest creation, SORA, takes text-to-video generation to a whole new level. SORA can create longer, more complex videos with impressive detail and coherence. Now let's talk about the future of AI. So, what's next for AI? Well, right now, we have what's called narrow AI. These are AIs that are really good at specific tasks. But scientists are working on something called Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI. This would be AI that can think and reason like humans across many different areas. Some experts think we might have AGI by 2040 or 2060. Imagine having a robot friend that can chat with you about anything, solve complex problems, and maybe even help cure diseases. But don't worry, we're not quite there yet. AI still has a lot to learn. It's great at crunching numbers and finding patterns, but it struggles with things like common sense and creativity. That's where we humans come in. We need to work alongside AI, using its strengths to make our world better. We could use AI to fight climate change, explore space, or solve big problems in medicine. The possibilities are endless. Now let's talk about some challenges and potential pitfalls of AI. Ethical concerns arise with the creation of deep fakes, which can spread misinformation. AI biases can perpetuate societal inequalities, while AI hallucinations, where AI generates false or nonsensical information, can lead to confusion and mistrust. Moreover, AI poses potential threats to job security as automation increases, and there are concerns about its impact on privacy and security in the real world. As we continue to develop and integrate AI into our lives, it's crucial to address these challenges and ensure that AI remains a tool for progress rather than a source of new problems. So there you have it. That's the amazing evolution and history of AI. And the best part? The story of AI is still being written. Who knows what incredible things we'll see in the next few years? Maybe you'll be the one to make the next big AI breakthrough. Here's today's quiz question. Which IBM computer defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov? A. Watson, B. Deep Blue, C. Transformer, D. Midjourney. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hey, leave a comment telling us what you think AI will be able to do in the future. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future is smart, and so are you.